The moment I have realized God sitting in the temple of every human body, the moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage. Everything that binds vanishes and I am free. A statement by Swami Vivekanand ji. Good morning to each and everyone present here. Swami Vivekanand always felt that God is within us and everywhere. Presence of God can be felt by everyone. We all rejoice today on the celebration of National Youth Day. This is Meenakshi from class 9 wishing a very happy National Youth Day to you all and to young people everywhere. Let's pray for people with mental health problems and for the youth around the world. So join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, the pledge inculcated the habit of brotherhood and instilled feeling of patriotism among us and make us responsible citizens. For pledge, I would call Varnit from class 8th. Down your hands, all of you. Today is 12th January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekanand. Government of India declared this day as National Youth Day in 1984. And since 1985, this day is celebrated every year to honor the birthday of Swami Vivekanand, one of India's greatest spiritual and social leaders. He taught us how to be a better person. And now, I would call Sachi for today's thought. Good morning to all of you. My name is Sachi. Today's thought is, see for the highest, aim at the highest, and you shall reach the highest. And the meaning is, we should see for the highest and aim for the highest. If our goals will be high, then definitely we shall reach high. Highest aim inspires us to take action and desires to achieve greatness. My dear friends, big dreams light our inner fire and provide us the ongoing fuel for our burning desire and makes easy to achieve our aim. So spread the wings of your imagination wide and let your mind fly high in the air. Thank you. Thank you, Sachi, for such a motivational thought. National Youth Day is celebrated all over India to inspire younger generation to come up with the plans to make India a developed nation. We know that the teachings and philosophies of Swami Vivekanand motivate us to work towards the development of society and nation at large. To know more about the great teachings of Swami Vivekanand, I would call Anvi from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you, Anvi, for such a nice speech on great Swami Vivekanand ji. Swami Vivekanand was the perfect embodiment of intellect and humanity. There are several life incidents of the legendary man which inspires us. Here is Mahima from class 7 with an inspiring incident of Swamiji's life. Many people gave their lives for freedom, and they gave the message to the youth to be practical and convincing to tackle and handle every tough and challenging situation properly. National Youth Day is the day to encourage the youth of our country. Please welcome on the stage the students of class 9th for a group dance on Chak De India. Outstanding! Thank you so much for this wonderful dance performance. Swamiji's life gives us all message that no matter how difficult a task is, if we put our heart and mind to it, we will complete it successfully. As a student, we should focus our mind on study and definitely we will achieve our aim of getting better score or good position. Finally, we are at the end of today's morning assembly. Now you all get ready for National Anthem. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.